How's it going everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll show you the best setting for your Dell G2524H monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the OSD controls, navigate through the back of your monitor, and basically there will be buttons. Just click any one of those buttons and your OSD or the on-screen settings will appear. You want to apply the following. For the preset mode, you want to use standard for the best color accuracy, and you want to use FPS only if you want brighter shadows. For the brightness, this can depend whether you're on a dark room. Basically, you want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains. For the contrast, you want to set it to 75 and sharpness at 50. And some additional settings. For the refresh rate, of course, you want to use the maximum for the smoothest display possible. In our case, it's going to be 280 Hz. For the response time, you want to use super fast. You want to avoid the extreme because it may cause overshoot and ghosting. For the adaptive sync, you can enable the FreeSync or the G-Sync compatible on. For the dark stabilizer, you want to use 1 or 2. Basically, this will allow us to see enemies on dark easier. And for color temp, you want to use 6500K or normal and the gamma at PC mode default. And so everyone, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.